In this video, I'll show you how to hide a folder in Windows. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure what I'm going to show you in this video. And I'm going to create a new folder now. I'm going to walk you through all you need to know. So I'm going to create a new folder. I can just let me say test. So I want to hide this folder now. So if you love to do this from your own end for some personal reasons, what you need to do, click on this, click on properties. You're going to be able to see hidden. Click on it, click on OK. So this folder is not currently here in your Windows again, but if you love to see it again, what you need to do, click on the Windows tab and E. Windows tab E. This is gonna come out. This is gonna come out. Click on the view. Click on the show. You're gonna be able to see hidden items. So just click on it. Show. From here, you're gonna be able to find your hidden folder if you want. Okay, so once you've followed what I told you now, you're gonna be able to see your hidden items here. So these are the folders that are currently hidden here on my PC. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the very next video.